Okay, what is up everyone? Another update on Project Pugly. Give you the whole shot here. I think the last video was we did the front 385 tires on the new 22.5 Alcoas. So I got my rear ones in. We're gonna do the unboxing today. We'll unbox one of them. This is gonna be the back. So we're gonna be upgrading. These are 20.5-inch wheels, or I guess maybe 20s. I don't know, maybe 20s or 20.5. But we're gonna go from these are 22.5, kind of like the newer style stuff, because these are really old school. And then we're gonna go slightly taller. These are 10R20s, and these are the new tires, the tires I'm gonna put on here. 11R22.5s, so they're a tiny bit taller. If you can see, they're about an inch, maybe like an inch and a half taller. And I like the aggressive tread. I wanted the aggressive tread for the back. And the cool thing was, one of my regular customers had a truck he was parting out, and I'm like, hey, what's up with those tires? He's like, yeah, whatever, if you want them, you can have them. So I was gonna buy new tires, but these have like 90% tread, 80-90% tread, and they're gonna work perfect because they're like the exact thing I was looking for. So I saved like $1,400, and it just happened to be somebody that I always do jobs for. So let's see, these are the wrong style. So we're gonna swap the wheels. So these wheels are gonna be the outside Alcoas, and I'll show you what we got for the inside. The inside is just gonna be a standard steel wheel. So this wheel on the inside, you can't really see. I just got some steel wheels. And these are the Stud Pilot. You can see it right there. These are the Stud Pilot. And then these new ones, these are Hub. These are Hub Pilot, so the ride's on the hub. So we're not gonna be able to use these on my older truck. This is kind of like for newer trucks. But anyways, let me get this mounted. I'll start opening these boxes, and then tomorrow morning we got the tire guy coming to do all 4 of these tires. We'll slap them on the back, and then yeah, it should be looking good. Should be matching the front. I love the look of the front. Big fatty 385 on brand new Alcoas. So okay, let me get the box open, and then we'll see what it looks like. Okay guys, the brand new Alcoa 22.5s. Let's see what they look like. Oh, they're in 2 boxes, that's nice. Okay, let's see. See the Alcoa right there, see? Alcoa. Yeah, nice. I like the extra protection of the second box. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Aha! Okay, let's see. Let's see here. There we go. All right. Look at this. Wow, that's shiny. Okay. Let me see. Let me see if you can accurately see this on the camera. It is really shiny. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. Let's see. Look at that. Hoo-wee. So these are the correct ones. They got this little shoulder here for the older. These are Stud Pilot. So the older trucks tend to come with these. And then the Hub Pilot are flat. Let me show you one just so you guys know. See how these are completely flat? There's no shoulder. It's just completely straight through. So technically that's newer style. This is for older style. Look at this wheel. Oh man, this looks good. Oh, it's got plastic on the other side. Let's see. There it is, boys. There it is. 22.5. I believe these are listed at 8 1/4 wide. 8 1/4. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 8 1/4. Maybe 8 1/2. Nice. They packaged them really nice. So beautiful. So yeah, those wheels on these tires tomorrow. I'll put the rest of the video on here. And yeah, it's gonna clean up really nice because these look horrible. I mean, it's fine for factory issue, just steel wheels, but more or less they look horrible. But yeah, these are good. These are beautiful. Okay guys, let me I'll do the next video and put them all together. All right, update, next day. Getting the tires done. We got the 4 off. Gonna start putting them on the Alcoas. There they are. Let's see, these 2 are off too. So, making progress. Okay, I'll give you another shot when they're on the truck. I'll pull the truck out.
One eternity later.
Okay, here we are, completed. Got the Alcoas. Got the rear ones done today, finally to match the front. What did we go with? 11 R22.5. Looks good. Took forever for the guy to do the tires, but whatever, it's done. And then on the front, just to recap, we have a 385 on the front. Like it, good look. Let me show you the other side. I'm gonna get my lug spikes, and maybe I'm gonna try to find a chrome cover for the center. I'm not sure yet where I could find it, but should be able to get one. And then I'm gonna do the same on the back, do the lug spikes next, or pretty soon, and a cover for that axle. But yeah, I like how it's cleaning up. I got the aggressive tread on the back. I like that. Definitely wanted some aggressive tread on the back. Yeah, and for free back tires, it's not bad, you know? So yeah, Pugly's cleaning up. We still gotta do a drop chrome, or we're gonna do stainless steel bumper, probably stainless visor, drop visor. And then we're gonna start working on the back. We're gonna do something special on the back. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and we will keep you posted on Project Pugly. All right.